Hey everyone, today I will show you how to link your Wix website directly to your Facebook page to boost visibility and traffic. Let's dive in. First of all, log into your Wix account and go to the dashboard of the website you want to link to Facebook. In your Wix dashboard, go to Marketing and SEO, then click on social medias or Facebook or Instagram. Then select Facebook to start the integration process. Click Connect Facebook and log into your Facebook account if prompted. Make sure you are logged in with the account that has admin access to your Facebook page. Once connected, select the Facebook page you want to link to your Wix website. This will add a button on your Wix site, allowing visitors to find your Facebook page easily. You can also set a Facebook pixel to track traffic and engagement if you want more insights. And that's it. Thanks for watching.